It's windy. A little breezy, huh? A little bit. Oh my.
Oh, stop it. Nice big railing, that'll stop it.
I'm getting sick. I can't. Halfway, and that's it. I'm turning around. I can't. I can't. My camera, my phone died. I can't.
Well, the plane goes higher than that.
I don't give a shit. I'm gonna cry. I'm not.
Well, at least get to know good.
Listen, you.
Selfie thing.
Screw off. Hurry up. Give me the freaking camera. Let's go.
We're not in the middle yet.
Yes, we're fine. Right here.
Pass these guys here.
I'll fucking kill you. So we're walking on the bypass bridge. And I have this very bad, deathly fear of heights. He wants me to stand over near the railing. And he's a fucking asshole already. Oh, Jesus Christ. You're an asshole. You know that, right? You don't even have your camera up. And I'm petrified over here.
There we go.
Jeez. Wait a minute. I think I'm videoing. Come on.
All right, go on.
Can you do it?
I don't know. You got to do it.
No, I can't. All right, I'm heading back left.
I got to get a picture of you first.
And I have a fit. Come here. Come here. All right. Sorry, I have to do this because I just can't.
Yeah.
Boy, the bridge got busy. Oh God, I'm having like a
All the
major,
people coming out.
Yeah.
I got here when we did.
I'm having a major anxiety attack. Major,
Super major meltdown.
major melting down right now.
Oh, at least you can say you did it.
Yeah, well, this is,
You made it. We're almost back.
oh God.
No. It's a good thing you couldn't see.
I don't want to see, I'm not even looking. Just leave me alone. I'm not looking down at all. Stop it.
Oops, excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what happens if that rock cracks and breaks off?
Hey, why don't you just keep your stupid thought to yourself? Because that could happen.
Yeah.
And it would take out the whole bridge.
Howard. Just a section.
Huh?
Just a section of it.
No,
Yeah.
I'm thinking you
I
would.
could put my.
I'm surprised nobody's thought about putting a bungee jump on this bridge.
Oh, yeah. They probably have, but they probably said no. Government probably told them nope. Ain't happening.
Whew. All right, are we on solid ground? Yeah, okay, good. Okay.
Yeah.
Whew. That was awful. That was awful.
Oh, it's awesome.
That was awful. You don't know what it's like to be,
No, I don't actually.
fear, anxiety driven, and the thought of the whole bridge collapsing the whole time you're on it.
I don't have those.
That's not enjoyable.
I got the non-thinking about it.
Yeah, well, that's how my brain works.